Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with PS. Today let's make a GIF maker, a simple project, yet important to learn about the Imageio library, which is used for stitching of images or videos. You can manipulate images and videos through this library of Python. And prerequisite to this video is you must have Python installed as well as VS Code. And you need two images that you want to create into a GIF, which should be which can be anything like PNG or any format, like the image format, of course. But uh, the main thing, it should be of same pixels or sizes. So if you have different sizes images, first go to a Google website and resize those images to the same pixels, like 640 by 640 or anything you want, 1280 by 720 or something else. So do that. So let's hop on to VS Code now. Firstly, we're going to import Imageio version 3 as IIO. This is a library in Python that is used for stitching two images or videos. Not even stitching. There are multiple functions for videos and images in this library, so we're going to use this library. So I'm going to write 2.png. These are the files, 1.png and 2.png. We created a list, and now I'm going to create another list for images that we're going to make. So first let's make a for loop for I in file, so it selects both the files over here, and then gonna images.append, stitch those files in a GIF iio.im read, and we're gonna do I inside it. So now we're gonna make the image I am right and 3.gif. Let's name the file 3.gif and images where it's stored, and duration for it, duration which is in milliseconds. D should be smaller, and loop it to infinite times, which is 0. And let's check now. Yep, these were the first two images, 1.png and 2.png, and this is the GIF. So it created a typing pattern. So we're gonna delete this, and duration, let's make it a bit less so it's faster, and here it is. Okay, that's it for this video. The main functions that we used from the Imageio library was I am right, I am read, and the append function. And see you in the next one. If you like the video, subscribe and hit that like button.